Welcome to Miss Tillman's class.
Hi, I just wanted to go over the final project for Romeo and Juliet by William Shakespeare. We will be responsible for doing a video trailer to entice audience. I want you to create a video trailer for Romeo and Juliet. You may choose to act out the video trailer, or you can create an animated video with images and background music, instrumental version only, that symbolizes the Shakespearean drama. Okay? Your video must be 3 minutes long and it must highlight the themes of the play. Please reference main characters, plot twists, and something to engage your audience. You will be responsible for creating a movie poster as well as a one-page summary of your movie trailer. Okay? Here is the rubric. The total project is worth 100 points. Incorporating the theme is worth 40. Incorporating characters, setting, music, and editing, the elements of a movie, is 30 points. Movie poster, 10. One-page paper, 20. Okay? I want to provide you with a few examples of finished projects that were completed. The first one is an acted version. The second one is an animated version. And then we have one done at the ESL level. And then I have an additional link. It didn't show up in this presentation for some reason. But I definitely will have it in the link for you. Definitely just wanted to give you a different ways you can go about completing this project. Let's start with the first one now. Please notice how they have captions incorporated in the video. I'm not going to play the whole video.
This March comes the greatest love story of all time.
Love is a monster for making me fall in love with my worst enemy. The only man I hate is the only man I love. I saw him too early without knowing who he was.
A story of two young star-crossed lovers, Juliet and her Romeo.
That's the characters. And here's a little plot twist for you. I want to fast forward. And here's an example of an animated version of
Many years ago, in Verona, Italy, there were two families.
We are the Capulets.
We are the Montagues. These families are always fighting. The Montagues have a son, Romeo. The Capulets have a daughter, Juliet. One night, the Capulets have a party, and Romeo goes.
And then the other one is done at the ESL level for English as a second language.
In fair Verona, where we lay our scene.
I never saw beauty. That is night.
Two households, both alike in dignity.
She is no Catholic. She is no watch all day.
Violent passions. Have violent ends.
And then the final one, I actually like this one. It reminds me of an actual movie trailer. Can't believe it was done by students. you notice how this trailer is acting, but it's no audio other than the music in the background and the sound effects. That's why I really like that one. It's pretty creative. But definitely wanted to give you some samples of this finished project. This is something that you can definitely do. We'll have websites and resources available for you as well on the Google Classroom.